Dahil walang background music to, ako na lang kakanta. Di man araw-araw ilang beses na rin tayo hindi. Hello.
So sa tanong mo nga kung ano, pag family ta per car ba kailangan magbayad o pwede nang isa lang pero dalawang kotse tayo? Tanungin mo ha.
Ah, sige. Sabihin ko na lang, i-charge mo naman doon sa kotse sa likod ko.
Pag nakanya tayo sa inyo, mas magbayaran ko dito ha.
Eh, bakit magpa-family pa?
Mas mura kasi.
Ah, sige. Haba ng pila. We're here.
Masyadong yabante, baka mahulog.
Hindi, para mabuksan mo. Kasi
Mga kabayan, nandito na po. Charot lang. Ako naman. Hi everybody!
naiigi na si mama.
CR lang talaga pupuntahan natin dito eh.
Akala ko talaga, nakanta ka ako 48
Nilock
minutes
mo?
yung nakalagay sa maps. Tapos 4 kilometers. Sabi ko, ano to?
Ba't nangangatog ka?
Hitek pa eh.
Gong you!
Hitek?
Gong gong you!
Good decision. Nasa kanya ngayon ang huling halakak. Hello guys!
Hey guys, we're here sa Lake Minnewanka. Sayan, where are we?
Lake Minnewanka.
Almost. Lake Minnewanka. We're almost at that and at the lake.
Yeah. Let's
After we go
long.
to the lake, we're gonna go back to a hotel.
You're gonna swim in the lake.
Ito nga pala ang aking madam. Hello guys. Madam.
Hello guys.
Ang una nating stop ay washroom.
Always.
Ayan, pipila tayo. Pilahin natin ng CR. Laki ng aso, parang wolf. Ito na yon, Lake Minnewanka. Ito na yon. Yan. It's spring here. Kaya yellow pa siya. By summertime, most probably, ano na siya, tunaw na. And then it will freeze again by winter. Ayun, alam nyo ba guys, yung Canada kasi, isa siya, or it's a country where there's lots of lakes. So, parang pinakamaraming lakes ay sa isang country ay Canada. Ano? Pinakamaraming lake na country is Canada. Ganda. Oh. Look. Look at the mountains, it's so pretty.
I'm taking over for Mariam Ahiel. Because she's taking a photo. Jump again.
Don't drop my camera.
I won't.
Are you vlogging now, dear?
Yeah.
Bro.
Don't put it too close to your face. Yeah, like that.
Hello guys! Say hello guys!
Mag-float tayo sa tubig.
Pangarap niya yan. Mga batang vlogger talaga to eh.
Okay.
Hello guys.
Where are we going next, ma'am? Let's go. This is our hotel. Yan. Yes. See? Then there's TV, microwave, coffee maker. Oh, may fridge din pala, oh.
Yeah.
Kala ko dun lang eh. Boom. Then there's this one, plancha. Yun lang talaga yung nilabas mo eh. O, sige. Daming set! Habulin mo nga yung bus. Tiis ganda tayo, be. Pag humahangin lang naman.
Balik tayo ng jacket.
Hindi, okay lang.
Balik tayo ng jacket.
Yakapin mo na lang ako. Ano? Sabi ko, okay lang. Yakapin mo na lang ako. Hello guys, we're here in Banff. Pangilang beses na namin dito. Pero never get old, even though it's old.
Parang ano yan? Parang Tagaytay lang yun sa mga Pilipinas.
Drink!
Tagal naman ng Beaver Tail.
Malayo-layo pa. Dito na tayo sa downtown.
Style niya.
And galing na tayo ng hotel. So ngayon, lalakad kami kasi bukas daw. Ulan. Based on the weather forecast, it's gonna rain. So it's better to walk today than tomorrow. Kapatid ko nga pala. Mas maganda ako, di ba?
Obvious na obvious kung kanino napunta yung magandang jeans.
Oh, di ba? I know, right?
Pangit. See? 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 Loskos.
Naskos ka siya. Wala kang, wala kang beaver tail. Wala ka.
Sorry.
Hindi.
Ang laki. Hindi second floor ba yan?
Oo, number ng bus.
Yung naman, dyan tayo mag-ano,
Yan
diba?
nga.
Sa birthday ni natin.
Oh, dyan ka magba-bus stop. Tignan mo yan. Ayan. Ha? Papuntang ano, yan oh. Super Mountain Tunnel Mountain. Cave and Paste.
Dahil walang background music to, ako na lang kakanta. Di man araw-araw ilang beses na rin tayo hindi. Ang ganda. Wow. Igintna mo naman.
Ay, sorry.
Be.
Sorry.
Wow.
I am married again.
Uy, ang ganda. Mas maganda pa yan sa engagement ring mo.
True.
Buti na lang nag-propose ulit si Kuya doon.
Oh, ang ganda. Oh.
Congratulations to the couple. Na 1 year ago nang nagpakasal. Pero nag-propose pa apparently.
Oh my gosh. Ito na, plus 2% ng battery ko iaalay ko sa Beaver Tails. Paano? Baka di ako makapasok. Good morning, everyone. Time for breakfast.
Good morning.
Very early. Pag-breakfast. Breakfast is life.
Nire-rest. Hindi kami nagaya. Nakawawang gaya.
Saan?
Grabe lang yung likod ni Jay. Hindi ko malaman kung paano nangyayari. Yung ulo niya nasa paa ko.
Muna daw siya. Yan. Maliit lang yung breakfast room nila dito. So, may pancake. Ano to? Pang-reheat na. Lagyan mo rin ako, Wabi. Bawal tayo sa bacon, ha? May pork yan, eh. Hindi, pwede. Oh. Ano? 5? Grabe. Sa bagay, free naman. What's that? Wow, gusto ko egg. Brain's favorite. Oh. Parang sarap mag... Ano? Cereal. Mamaya na. Bits ba to? Oatmeal bowl. Tapos may coffee. Hash brown. Juice. Kuha ka na. Kuha ka na. Pack yung syrup niya. Usually open lang. Ayun na pack siya.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned at the hotel. Yeah, we're at the hotel right now. Stay tuned. Outfit check. Outfit check. Wow. Larf Roland.
Anong shoes mo? Adidas. Tapos, Levi's. Outfit check. Ang blouse mo ay Ralph Lauren ka din. Yes. Ang yung shoes. Adidas.
Saying machi.
Adidas. Machi pa na tayo. Hi everyone, we're here at Silver Dragon Chinese Cuisine Restaurant here in Bali. So this is our first stop for our second day. Kasi gutom na sila sa Kaumilan. We're supposed to go to Kalamba, but then it's so cloudy. Finally, we're at the $80 per person. Ayaw ka lang mag-gondola.
Wala ka talagang swerte.
May balat.
Sa gondola.
Ikaw naman ngayon si Gonggong.
大雪飘落这个瞬间
Literal na turtleneck.
Kaya nga eh. Turtle chin.
Turtle chin din naman eh. Grabe ka.
May nagre-reklamo.
Same lang naman.
Turtle chin.
Hindi kasi sa kanya, hindi niya, may neck ako. May neck siya.
Hi guys, now the food is here.
Bukas madarating.
So, I'm gonna eat now.
First one more chicken fried rice.
Yeah, for sure.
Isa lang ba? No?
Hi guys, today we're at a restaurant and we're at a Chinese restaurant and I'm gonna show you the food.
Oh, it's empty now. Oh, they're all gone.
Marunong. Focus naman. sorry about that. Ito talaga lumangoy.
Diyos ko po! Diyos ko po! Ganun. Okay, let me...
Are you okay, baby?
Diyos ko po! Diyos ko po! Check.
Ano yan, ma? Pearl? Totoong pearl ba yan? Mother's Day gift niya daw.
Anything for my mom.
I know, it's so nice. Are you getting it for her?
Yeah.
Oh,
if she
that's
wants it.
beautiful. Oh,
Gusto mo
isn't
ba?
that beautiful?
Yeah, okay.
Oh my god.
get it.
You got a great daughter. No worries, I'll be one moment, I'll just get this ready for you. Oh.
Milkshake pa mo. Ganda talaga ng bundok, guys. Guys, see? Ay, hindi ma-justify dito. Pero maganda siya. Jenny.
Zion has a wiggly tooth.
Let me see. Your wiggly tooth? Not you. You're not wiggly. Hoy! I said wiggly tooth, not wiggly Zion. Ano ba yan?
He doesn't want to show it right now.
You're being silly.
Oh!
Are we going straight home? This man to this Bye guys. Say bye-bye now. Show your wiggly tooth first. Come here.
Bye. See you at home. See you at home. We'll see you later at home and tell you we have arrived.
Hey, that's it. Bye.